Hello and welcome back friends in your favorite channel Learn Agro. Today it's time for hydrangea flower. As I have posted a picture earlier this week in YouTube about my upcoming project, so the waiting is over. Hydrangea are native to Asia and America, but at present they can be found throughout the world. So it might be found in your friend's home or in nearby nurseries. So you can just grab one, or you can just grab some branches from your friend's home to start your project. Take some hydrangea branches, cut the longer stem and cut some extra leaves and leave it like that. And you can see the soil composition and put the branch in the soil like this. Hydrangea loves well draining soil with a lot of moisture in them. Just press the soil so that the branches will be formed in the soil and water them. Just keep it like that. Checking after 16 days, you can see that new leaves can be seen over the branches. I have cut the old large leaves so that they can concentrate on new leaves and just water them and leave it like that. After 25 days, you can see that those leaves has grown quite larger and these branches are also quite healthier in these curves. All you need to do is water them up so that the soil will not get dry. Just keep it like that, it's okay. So after 40 days, you can see that the branches has grown quite large. The leaves are quite healthy and you can see they are doing really good inside this cup. Now it's time to transplant these plants into the bigger pot, or you can just directly plant them in the garden. So here you can see that the fine networks of root, and you can see the branches are really doing good inside this cup till now. For the growth, you need to plant them in the garden. So here is the soil with 50% garden soil and 50% compost, and just plant it like this. Don't disturb its root. I'm just adding some leaves compost so that this will help in preserving the moisture, as well as the leaves compost is rich in phosphorus and that will help in faster growth of the flowers for this plant. Some of the branches I'm going to plant them in the garden. You can see the beautiful roots. Just place them in the soil like this, cover it up, and they will grow on their own. Once planted, the plant will grow over and over again. We can make as many plants as we want. During winters, they become inactive, and at the end of winters or start of summer, pruning of old branches should be done to get better yield of flowers and to have a better boost. So checking after 55 days, you can see this branch has already grown some flowers and it is really awesome. So checking on 65 days, you can see the plant is healthy. You can see the stems, they are also quite good. The leaves are also quite fine till now, and you can see the flower, it is also doing quite well. I haven't done anything. I just used to add water and it used to get plenty of sunlight, and that's it. It has done great till now. So I just love it. So in this way, friends, you can have your own hydrangea plant at your home without much of a hard work. So I hope you have learned how to make your own hydrangea plant at your home. So if you at all like it, please do share with your friends, please give it thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you and see you again.